In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to calculate PayPal fees. Whether you're a seasoned online seller or just dipping your toes into the world of digital transactions, understanding PayPal fees is crucial. Let's dive in. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of calculating fees, it's important to know two options PayPal offers: friends and family, and goods and services. For friends and family, no fees but no protection. Use this option for trusted transactions like paying back a friend for dinner. For goods and services, fees apply, but you're covered. Opt for this when dealing with unfamiliar parties or transactions involving goods. To calculate PayPal effortlessly, we'll use a handy tool called salescalc.com. And here's how. Navigate to salescalc.com. Enter the amount you're sending or receiving. Let's say it's $100. Instantly, you'll see the fee breakdown. For example, sending $100 would incur a fee of $3.98, leaving the recipient with $96.02. So whether you're a buyer or seller, clear communication is key. If you want to receive the full amount as a seller, inform the buyer to send a bit of extra to cover fees. And if you're a buyer, ask the seller if they prefer you to send additional funds to cover the fees. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.